Hello everyone. This is an important video about the new update. Google call it as Google link spam update. Now, what is the purpose of this update and what is Google trying to say here in this particular update? Google have just released this particular article, a reminder on qualifying links and your link spam update. Now, I would like to first explain you what Google wants to say here in the first place. What is the first factor? What is the first aspect of Google want to convey here? Then I will tell you what is this link spam update and how it's going to affect the websites and how we have to protect ourselves. So now if you just see here, for example, let me just go to the other segment. All right, let me go to the whiteboard. All right, now, as you know that basically when we talk about link building, when we talk about links, all right, so when we have generally we define as no follow and do follow, right? No follow is something where we are not providing value to that website. We will just consider that as a no follow, correct? Now, what is Google specifically asking here in this particular reminder and this update in this article is, the first thing what Google wants to do is you have to define the affiliate links separately with a new rel tag. Number two, you have to also define sponsored or guest post as well with a separate link. No follow is one of the way we have defined, but we need to add the new way. We have to follow the new method. What is that is, for example, let us assume that we are having, let us assume here one simple factor of link. Let us say you are having website A and we are having website B. Let's say there are two websites we have. So website A is actually an affiliate marketer website. Let's say you are an affiliate marketer and this is Amazon website. Yes. So this is the Amazon website, the article which you are promoting. Now let us say A is giving a backlink to Amazon. Yes, because whenever your affiliate link is there, you give a backlink. So as of now, what you will do is generally you apply rel equal to no follow, right? But Google now very specifically states that whatever the links which you are linking to product websites or affiliate links, which are basically sponsored point of thing, you have to write a href, okay, equal to whatever the link is there, you can write. But now the important factor is rel equal to, you have to mention sponsored. Now why? Because you are clearly telling to Google that this particular link and whatever you write here, sponsored, and then you will give the link. So that means that this is a new rel tag you have to use, which is rel equal to sponsored, to define that this is an affiliate link. Similarly, if you have written a guest blog, now see, I have seen plenty of websites, so big websites like Forbes and Business Insider and big websites, they actually allow guest posting on their website, but they are offering, a link, right? So what Google says is, if this is a guest post, if it is not affiliate, even if it is guest post and it is a sponsored article, in that case also, what Google wants you to do is, you have to mention rel equal to sponsored. This is a condition which Google is first of all reminding. If you don't do it, then there is a probability of an automatic update, okay, or there is a probability of a manual action. That is, you are not following the guidelines of Google. So there may be a manual update or there can be a automatic update. So be careful if you have affiliate links. Actually in web trainings also we have. So I'm just going to change it to rel equal to no follow so that I don't have this kind of problem or a issue. And same way, if I have any guest posts or guest articles in my website, immediately I will change, because I don't want to get either hit with an automatic update or with a manual update. So this is a primary concept which Google have given. Number two, next part I want to here convey and explain here is one more option you have to see what Google is trying to say in this article. Now if you see this article, what Google is trying to explain and convey, this is a sponsored and guest post concept. Now here is very important. What is Google trying to say here? Let us understand this point and this point of view. Now what Google says, improving our systems to fight link spam. Meaning, already Google is saying that we are very well, we are able to find the spam, we are able to find dummy, useless, fake links. But here what Google mentions very specifically is, okay, here is the point. Now, we are launching a new link spam fighting change today, which we call as link spam update. You can see very clearly here what is the option we have, link spam update. This algorithm update which will roll out across the next 2 weeks. So it is going to be rolled out slowly, step by step, in next 2 weeks. So one important thing as webmasters for you is make sure that you keep track of your webmasters report, keep track of your analytics, keep track of your overall traffic, whether it is going up or down, because that's going to be very big factor here. So now here it is. Now this will roll out is even more effective. That is, it's going to not identify all your spam links and nullify the link spam more broadly across multiple languages. Site taking part in link scan will see a change in search as those links are reaccessed by our algorithm. So in other words, what is Google telling us is, with link spam update, one thing is they have giving you an update that make it sponsored for guest post as well as your affiliate links. But at the same time, Google is giving us a very clear indication and clear information that there is a link spam update right now. Google have already updated, already started rolling out. In next 2 weeks, it's going to be applied all over the world for all the particular sites. So be careful. You have to make sure that you are not participating in any kind of link schemes. You don't participate in any kind of link exchanges programs or spammy links or dummy links. So be careful, because when Google link update may come up, either by the automatic update of link spam, you may be hit with the update. So be careful, try to review, try to see what links you are getting in. And if you are getting links from every website which are too many backlinks you are getting and you don't have any control on that, and if it is do follow, make sure you use the Diserve tool. Make sure as soon as possible go to Diserve and devalue those links yourself. So before the algorithm update can hit your website, try to dissolve those links. So make sure that you are safe from this update. So this is all about the link spam update. As it progress in next few days, I will make another video to give more clarity of how it has happened, what will be the effect of it. Also from when other SEO specialists will provide their reports, I will also share that information with you. But right now, the minimum basic thing you can do is, if you have affiliate links, please apply REL equal to sponsor, guest post REL equal to sponsor. And if you are having any kind of too many backlinks from spammy sites, apply Diserve to make sure you save yourself from link spam update. So this is our today's video about the concept of the Google latest update, link spam update. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and I will come with a lot of new videos like this. So whenever there is an update, whenever there is a change, I'm going to make videos on that. And also I will be updating weekly update video also will be going to come up. So please hit the subscribe button so you will be stay connected with all the latest changes in digital marketing. Thank you very much.